Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that Siri is not talking or unavailable or it just not responding after upgrade their iPhone to iOS 16. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart Hey Siri on iPhone. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on Siri and search. Toggle off the listen for Hey Siri and wait for 15 seconds, then turn it on again and check if Siri is working properly. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 3. Reset network settings. To do this, launch Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset network settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 5. Change dictation settings on iPhone. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down and tap on Keyboard, toggle off Enable Dictation, now wait for some time and toggle it back on again. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If you continue to face a problem after trying these tips, it may be a good idea to get your phone checked out by Apple support. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.